Hello, everybody, welcome to another video. Today I bring you another novelty, so do not leave this video and check out one more product that can help in your life. Today we will talk about a top product for your BetaBeat blood sugar, so you who want to take care of yourself, check with me some points of this product. But hold on guys, record what I'm about to say. Here you find products with warranty. That's exactly what I'm saying. If you do not like, have 60 days for return. 2 months, that's right, so do not be afraid. You can buy with confidence that if you do not adapt to the product, has your money back. And already remembering to facilitate has the link from the official website in the description of the video, where you buy safely, without fear of not receiving. So buy there and leave in the comments what you thought of it. You're probably wondering what's in it. Within each BetaBeat drop you will find 8 clinically proven ingredients to support blood sugar health. Natural ingredients, vegetable ingredients, easy to swallow, stimulant-free, and guys, take this, I'll tell you, buying on the official website, the combo, you get 2 free bonuses, so take advantage of the promotions and buy more than 1 bottle. And for you who want to save, when buying 6 bottles, get the freight, free shipping even in the combo, without fear. Remember that you have guarantee and security in the purchase. Buy, test, approve, and come back here to tell us what you think. I'm staying here, and if you like this review more, do not forget to access the description link to the official site. There you find all the detailed information. Any questions, leave in the comments. Enjoy this video and share with friends. See you soon.